Hello guys and welcome to Yes You Can channel. Is your PS5 controller not charging? Then watch this video. There's 7 solutions in this video to fix your problem. Yes guys, these are all working methods and proven. Okay, let's start with solution 1. Ensure your Bluetooth is switched on before you try the solutions. Let's start with the solutions. First solutions guys. Start with blowing air inside of your USB-C controller and use a soft toothbrush to clean inside the USB port. Second solution. On the back of your PS5 controller, press the little pin hole for 6 seconds to reset. Note, ensure controller is switched on first and ensure controller is connected via the cable before you try this method. Third solution. Update your PS5 console with system software. Fourth solution. Try a different USB-C cable as the original are known to be unreliable over time. If still not charging, try another adapter head such as your phone adapter. Sixth solution. Turn off your PS5 console and press and hold down the power button until you hear 2 beep sounds, and then connect controller with USB cable and navigate and select rebuild database. And finally, the 7th solution. In settings, change adaptive to always. In console settings, select system, select power saving. In rest mode, check your supply power to USB ports is turned on. I hope one of these solutions has worked for you. Please comment and let me know. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and always I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching guys.